Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to open calculator in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop or PC. Just one click. So you can open calculator using keyboard key or shortcut. So here we can see this key. So once you press this key, this one, so you can open calculator like this. Just you have to press. So as we can see how many calculator we have now uh, in this desktop. So in one click you can open as many as you need. Yeah, I know only just you need one, but this is the video guys to learn how to open calculator using keyboard or using shortcut. So thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel.